Onpassive will replace unsuccess with success on the internet. For many decades, people have been searching for ways to improve their lot in life. It has proven to be a fruitless search. The internet has been called the burial ground of dreams and hopes of innocent people who are looking to improve their financial status and are being sent in all directions by companies claiming that they can help them. Looking for a way out of the problems, they are given inferior and overpriced and outdated products to work out their problems. There are mass disappointments and failures of people causing lives to be turned upside down. Then a person who had been remarkably successful on the internet and the top producer in companies of which he, in essence, worked to make them successful, was not the owner of any of those companies, but there was something inside of him that was not complete. Something was missing. The something missing was having the means to have others duplicate his success. This pained him greatly. He looked at how people were being treated by companies on the internet whose sole purpose was to make as much money as possible. Those companies had business models built on their profit motive, not to help people motive. This man, who had surveyed the damage and the failures, said that he has had enough. The man about whom I am talking is Mr. MUFAREH. Mr. MUFAREH is a man with a heart of gold. For many years, Mr. MUFAREH has carried in his heart and mind the vision of helping people get away from the failures of conducting business on the internet. That vision has led to a prize invention, Onpassive. Onpassive is presently transitioning into a powerful, massively superior ecosystem. The first and only total internet solution platform designed to be user-friendly. Be patient and get ready for what Mr. MUFAREH and his staff are about ready to reveal. Not only to early bird affiliates, but to the world. Because Mr. MUFAREH has gotten it right.